Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana. Nano Banana is a new AI image tool from Gemini. I'm going to show you how to use it to level up your business, your content, or maybe your brand. And you can do all this using just your mobile phone. And the crazy part is this thing is free. It's free to start, it's free to use, and it helps you sell more online, create more quality visuals, build your brand faster, and also it also helps you save more time, in terms of editing using Photoshop, what have you. If you're a business owner or a digital entrepreneur, you're going to love what Nano Banana can do for you. So let's get into it. Before I show you the use cases of Nano Banana, first of all, I would like us to understand what Nano Banana is. You see, Nano Banana is an AI image generating and editing tool that lets you create studio quality visuals using simple prompts. And you don't need Photoshop, you don't need photographs, you don't need expensive equipment. You know, just give it what you want and it generates it. Upload a picture and it upgrades it. So this is why it's so good and useful for business owners or digital entrepreneurs who want to start up their brand without spending so much money on designs. So this thing is free to use. So let's get into it without wasting much time.
So the first thing you do is to go to Gemini website, and then when you're on the website, you go to create image, the one with the banana icon, and then you describe your image, the image that you want. So maybe you are into phone accessories selling or something. You can type on clean, create a clean high quality product markup of a matte black iPhone case on a modern white background with soft lighting and soft shadows. And boom, you get a perfect image, no photography studio needed. Get so now you this is perfect for Instagram posts, WhatsApp and status ads, maybe your online shopping shop listing and Facebook marketplace. You know, you get clean images without spending too much on studio or photography. You get so that's an advantage for small business owners. All right, we can also make use of Nano Banana to make promo flyers and ads. And this is my personal favorite because it's very you can't do without this in business. So when you type in a prompt like generate a bold promotional flyer for a photo phone accessory shop with text flash sale up to 30% off, use modern layouts, clean fonts and high content colors contrast colors. Yeah, so we have something like this. You see how clean it is. And this is free, fast, and saves you from paying a graphic designer every week. So it saves a lot. And Nono Banana can generate eye-catching promotional designs instantly. Check this out. And you can tweak this to your tastes. If you don't like what you are seeing, you can always tweak it and get something better. And yes, we can also use Nano Banana for consistent branding. Yeah, so type a prompt like this. Create a branded social media post using black, gold, and white in a minimalist style with a clean background, no text. Yeah, so once you're done, you click on your enter button and it will give you something, to generate something for you to see. And you see, Nano Banana, if you want your brand to look professional, consistency is key. Nano Banana can help you create posts in a matching theme using your brand colors. So just like that, your Instagram grids start looking like a premium brand. Yes, and also Nano Banana can be used for business idea mockups. When you have a business idea, but you don't know how to visualize it, you get so you can just type on your business idea, like create a realistic concept mockup of a portable solar powered phone charger designed for outdoor use. And then you click your enter button. You see, Nano Banana can generate pitch ready mockups. just like this now. You see it now. So is this one now that you can take to the maybe your manufacturer or maybe your distributor or whatever, or your consultants, and explain using a picture of what you have in your idea. This is perfect for pitches and social media content and getting feedback before investing money. Okay. And yes, Nano Banana can be used to create fast social media content, you know, for creators and personal brands. Nano Banana can help you create quick and relatable content. For example, just check out this. Generate a clean social scroll stopping image with a fun visual element and the text entrepreneur life be like, and it gives you something like this. It just a content this is a for a content generation stuff, like to engagement and stuff in your social media, you get. So this is and you can create 5 to 10 pieces content in minutes. This is how you stay consistent without burning out. Okay. Yeah, so let's move to the next one. Yes, guys, Nano Banana can be used for before and after visuals. And one thing with before and after posts are great for selling. So check out this prompt. Create a before and after visual of a blue AirPod case before showing a raw photo after showing a premium studio setup. Now you can see the difference between this. One is studio style, the other one is freestyle. You get. So this boosts credibility and helps your product to stand out. You get. So it's very good for business owners starting out. Yeah, so Nano Banana can also be used to make digital product visuals. And just check out this prompt. Generate a professional ebook cover title, AI tools for busy entrepreneurs, use modern fonts and a futuristic design. So if you're a digital entrepreneur, you can use, if you want to sell digital product like ebook, courses or templates, Nano Banana can create the covers and the graphics for you. You don't need to go to Fiverr or Upwork to pay for all these things. You have Nano Banana now. Save that money for other important things. And check this out. This is very cool. If you don't like any of the presentation here or any outcome here, you can always adjust it by editing your prompt. Okay, so this is very cool, I must say. And it just depends on what you want, the colors you want, the design you want, anything you want. Just input it and it will edit it for you. Yeah, finally, guys, you can use Nano Banana to get design variations. Check out this prompt. Generate 5 design variations of a transparent magnetic iPhone case displayed in a clean grid layout. You see, the thing is, this saves you money and time while helping you to choose the best design. So you can actually use Nano Banana to test ideas quickly. So it depends on the design you want. You can now choose on the particular one that you need. Thumbnail. If you're someone that struggles with YouTube thumbnail, and maybe you spend a lot of money designing YouTube thumbnail, you can use your Nano Banana now and use your money for other things. Check out this my prompt I used. Design a professional looking YouTube thumbnail with any title of your choice. Yeah, you can edit that to be more specific. So you check out this. This is very clean thumbnail with no stress. And you can replace that picture with your particular picture by using prompts. Tell Nano Banana to replace this picture with my picture. That is, you have to upload your own picture for Nano Banana to use it to replace this particular picture. And yeah, some people say this guy looks like me, where without a mustache and with a hair. You get. So I guess he looks like me anyway. So that's what you do to save more money and time.
Alright guys, so this is how you can actually use Nano Banana to upgrade your business, your brand or your content free of charge. Okay, so guys, if you have any question for me, please leave it in the comments of this video. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of the video I release. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video and stay safe.